Right, so I'm in the other Mini Cooper now. There's a few little issues. This handbrake is one. Well, the handbrake does work, and I've got this metal thing which doesn't seem to fit, so I don't know what that's for. Anyway, there's no faults in it. The brake lights because the handbrake is on, and boot lights because the boot isn't latched, but it drives nice. Sounds nice. This has got a Milltek exhaust in it and no cat. So what I've done now is I've pulled it into the middle of the drive. I'm going to jack it up, make it in gear. I got a new exhaust manifold with cat there, ready to go on. So I'm going to jack it up and I'm going to take the Milltek exhaust off, if it's good order. Now I like a Milltek exhaust and it seems to be really good quality, but I don't like the tips. I like the tips that look like a pair of Coke cans. So I'm gonna take this exhaust to somewhere, maybe Long Life or whatever, and get them to change the tips. I like the distance it sticks out, so I'm gonna keep that the same. And the diameter of the tips, but I want to change the tips for a different style. And then I'll put it on Coopers. That's the plan. I won't stop the Coopers. I mean, I'm with the sub-rim to come Powder Monkeys. They're taking a bit longer than I expected. Another issue I've got is that I removed all the bushes from the arms, including the outer parts. But the problem-solving bushes, which are less than 60 quid for all four arms, they require the outer sleeve, whereas the Powerflex bushes are 320 quid for the same things, but they come with the outer sleeves. So I'm waiting. I've ordered 4 new ones of these, not brand new, but new ones. I'm going to take the bushes out, just the inners and the rubbers, and then I'm going to take them up to Powder Monkeys, get them all powder coated, and then I'll push these in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same method with a drill and get it red hot so these burn the rubber out. But then I'm going to put the flame thrower on the plumber's torch, you know. Yeah, I'm going to burn all the rubber out of there, get it all cleaned up, and then get them powder coated. That's the plan. So let's get this up in the jacks and have a look at it then. I'll reverse it back a bit, the first thing. Right, looking at this Milltek now, right? Let's on this other Coopers. Oh shit, look at that jack. Bloody hell. Look at that jack. Anyway, it's not up to the right standard to get into Coopers. It's exactly what I want. You see it comes out the front there, then comes along here, wise off, goes around there and out. And I got this guard over it. It's exactly the style I want for Coopers. Only difference is these tips. I'm not taking this off, put on Coopers. It's good nick under here though, look at it. Really good nick. I don't know what kind of dampers it got on there. It's low as hell though. I need to get one of these for Coopers. And get this back off the jack now, and then I got a new jack cover for that bottom there. So I'll fit that on now. And then this car will be alright. It looks like there's a cactus in the front. I'll jack the front up and have a look now. And you're going beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Is that cool? Oh, time for bed now, Wednesday. Come on in, big boy. Let's go.
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Oh, look, there's another one in there, look.
Where?
Another car. See?
Why do you build so much things?
Good, isn't it?
Why do you build so many cars?
I like these Koopas. They're cool, aren't they? Look, that one's called Koopas. Like that, look. See? See, it says that, look. Koopas. Look. Koopas.
Ooh, for X. Koopas.
Koopas. Looks a bit dirty, doesn't it? So that can go in the bin and I'll fit this new one. But first I'll hoover out there. So let's do that. So that's hoovered. We'll fit that now, put it back together, and then give us a good swill then. That's the plan. So Alice has helped me fit these new bonnet struts. Done one already. A bit rusty, a bit crusty.
Musty.
Doesn't look too bad though, but it's made by, it says BMW on it. It's Stibulus, it is Stibulus. These new ones are Stibulus. One is done. So I'm on the second one now, and then the bonnet should shut nice and stay up on its own nicely. Staying up with one, so two's going to make it even better. Should we do it, Alice?
No.
Okay, so the struts are done. Another small step towards the progress of Koopas. See, look, the bonnet now. And of course I haven't got this rust now, have I? It's nice, can't see with the light, but nice shiny metal now. Done. So I think I'll ring Peter tomorrow, find out what's happening with my bumper and my side skirts. I'm waiting for things to get on with now. Obviously need the bumper. I've got the indicators going there. Just waiting for that bumper, waiting for the side skirts. I could probably put these wheel arch liners back on. I'm trying to get this bumper off. Still haven't worked out how the hell to get it off. I'm still waiting for my sub-rim to come. I haven't pushed them for it because I'm hoping these will come. These got posted to me today. Hopefully they will be here tomorrow. I can take them bushes out and get them powder coated then tomorrow. And hopefully have them back by the end of the week. And then get the suspension on by the weekend. It's bank holiday, it'd be nice to get it down on its wheels. So we're nearly there, it's quite close. So I've taken these bump stops off, which go like that. And when they're off, I can see no difference between the top and bottom. I've seen some people saying, oh, the top have got holes, the bottom haven't, all this. But they're exactly the same, there's no difference whatsoever. That says 349 on it. I don't know what that says, I can't really see it from here. Anyway, these are all the same. So, what I need to do now is get this metal sleeve out on the rubber and leave the outer bit in. And then I can send it off to powder coating monkeys. get them shot blasted, powder coated, and I can press in my problem solving bushes. And you know what these are good for? These are good for solving my problem. My problem is I don't want rubber bushes which will perish in my car. I want urethane ones which won't perish, and I don't want to spend 320 quid on Powerflex ones when these are only £60 for 8. So that's a bargain really. But to be fair, that's what they should really cost, isn't it? Powerflex, I think they're overcharging a bit. Anyway, I've got a plan. I haven't got my drill home. I left it on the job I'm in. So I'm going to heat this with a plumber's torch, and hopefully I'll put enough heat the rubber will burn and I'll get it out. Let's give it a go.
It's recording. What?
Look, fire.
Cool.
Let's do
What you got?
It stinks.
I know.
Oh, we're going to long gas.
I hear a motorbike.
Oh, I got a long gas, look.
It's cold. Why have they got purple lights?
Oh, it's gone out. Which means I can't go to screw fix.
Can we go to Health Foods?
Shit.
Recording.
Hold this here thing.
Yellow thing. Motorbike.
Change the plan.
Do not set me on fire.
Look at that. I'll put it down.
What?
You know, screw over.
I don't know where it is.
Pull it.
What?
Put over there somewhere.
Well, I can't because I'm recording.
Yeah. You may have one new hold this on there.
Should I continue recording? What you got?
Anyway, this is hot enough.
Fire. I set fire to the rain.
There's no point recording this, is there?
What?
Well, this didn't go to plan. This flame is dying. Can you go closer? There's no heat. The other one died. And my drills didn't work.
No, it's good to play.
Since scared he's too far.
Mm.
So this will have to wait till tomorrow now. Not very exciting, I know. But what can you do without all the right tools? Lewis is on the job now. He's had 3 hands left. Not good long. It's all about getting the heat in there. Once you got the heat in there, it'll spin and fall out. Oh, don't break your wrist doing that. It's taking a lot longer than normal now. The more smoke, the closer it is to come in. Go on, just stop and cool down. good idea to do next to the car and get the rubber on the car. Okay, go next to it. Booty. One left.
What that is?
We lick. Then put the wire wheel through it on.
Is it?
Good boy. $30 drill to put in the thing. And he's out. Go pick up the thread out. No, the next one.